video of Masters in Computer Science series, and in today's video we are diving into the best countries to study this exciting field and revealing top 5 universities in each. We will also cover average GRE score for different countries and spotlight some of the top universities that do not require GRE at all. But first, if you want to get all the details on eligibility criteria, make sure to check out our previous video. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. Let's begin with a country that's typically regarded as the most popular destination for Masters in Computer Science, USA. The USA stands as an amazing destination for pursuing Masters in Computer Science, offering unparalleled academic excellence, robust research opportunities, and close ties to global tech industries. Graduates from US universities in computer science benefit not only from top-tier education but also from extensive networking opportunities and career pathway in thriving tech sector. In particular, several states in USA have carved out distinct reputation for their outstanding MS and CS program. These states are home to universities known for their academic rigor, research facilities, and strong connection to industry leaders. Here is a closer look at top 8 states for Masters in Computer Science in USA. Massachusetts, California, New York, Illinois, Washington, Texas, Georgia, and Pennsylvania. Students seeking to pursue advanced studies in this field can find exceptional opportunities in these states. Now, let's delve into some of the top universities in USA recognized for their outstanding Masters in Computer Science program. These institutions are celebrated for their faculty expertise, research contribution, and the quality of education they offer to students. So the top universities in USA are MIT, Carnegie, Harvard, Princeton, and Cornell. But you will need a GRE score to apply for these options. The average GRE score that you will require to get admission to these universities is around 310. ये तो थी universities जिसमें GRE score required है. But let me tell you some of the top universities of USA that will give you admission without GRE. The top 5 universities without GRE are Washington, Michigan, Carnegie, Ohio, and Northeastern. Now, for those considering public universities in the USA, one must know that these universities maintain strong reputation for their academic rigor, research opportunities, and contribution to the field of computer science. Here is a snapshot of some of the prominent public universities in the USA for Masters in Computer Science. Washington, Illinois, Michigan, Virginia, Wisconsin-Madison, Rutgers, and Maryland. While public universities in USA offer robust and Masters in Computer Science program, private universities also play a significant role in providing top-tier education and research opportunities in this field. Private universities often distinguish themselves with smaller class size, more personalized attention, and unique research focuses. Here are some of the notable private universities in the USA renowned for their Masters in Computer Science program: MIT, Carnegie, Columbia, Cornell, Harvard, Pennsylvania, New York University, Johns Hopkins, Georgia, and Duke. These universities provide students with unparalleled opportunities to specialize in various areas of computer science and contribute to groundbreaking research initiatives. However, when it comes to pursuing Masters in Computer Science, California holds a unique allure. The state is renowned globally as a hub of technology and innovation, particularly in Silicon Valley. Within California's vibrant tech ecosystem, many universities stand out for their excellence in master program in computer science. These institutions not only benefit from proximity to Silicon Valley, but also uphold strong academic reputation and extensive research opportunities. Let's explore top 5 universities in California renowned for their Masters in Computer Science program. Stanford University, UC Berkeley, Caltech, UC San Diego, and University of Southern California. These institutions prioritize aspects of the application such as letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, and academic achievements to evaluate candidates holistically and ensure a diverse and a talented student body. For students considering alternative or exploring international opportunities, Canada boasts several esteemed universities renowned for their Masters in Computer Science program. Let's explore some of the top institutions in Canada known for their excellence in computer science education. University of Toronto, McGill University, University of British Columbia, University of Waterloo, University of Calgary, University of Victoria, and Queen's University. The GRE score required of these universities is around 300. Now for more options, let me tell you about the universities that will give you admission to Masters in Computer Science program without GRE. University of Alberta, University of British Columbia, McMaster University, University of Windsor, and Concordia University. For those exploring international options beyond North America, the UK stands out as a compelling destination for pursuing masters in computer science. The UK is a great place for computer science students because it's popular for being innovative and has a long history of great education. So the top universities in UK are University of Oxford, Imperial College London, University College London, University of Cambridge and University of Edinburgh. Having explored the esteemed universities in UK known for their Masters in Computer Science program, students often turn their sight to Australia for its unique educational offerings. Students often choose Australia for their master's degree because beyond academics, Australia's diverse culture and vibrant lifestyle make it more attractive destination for international students seeking well-rounded academic experience in computer science. The top universities in Australia are University of Melbourne, La Trobe University, Australian National University, University of New South Wales and RMIT University. The GRE score required for admission to Australian University is between 300 to 310. Now, after examining Australia as a favored destination for Masters in Computer Science, Ireland emerges as an equally appealing option for international students. Ireland's rapidly growing tech sector, especially in cities like Dublin, provide plenty of opportunities for practical learning and career advancement. So the top 5 universities in Ireland are Trinity College Dublin, University College Dublin, National University of Ireland, Galway, University College Cork and Dublin City University. Moving on to the next country on our list, that is France. It's not only provides strong foundation in theoretical knowledge but also offer ample of opportunities for practical knowledge through industry collaboration and internship in France's dynamic tech ecosystem. International students can also have exciting and joyful time living in France thanks to its rich culture and excellent standard of living. So for that, let me tell you top 5 universities in France that offer Masters in Computer Science program. Sorbonne University, Université Grenoble Alpes, University of PSL, École Polytechnique, and EPITA School of Engineering and Computer Science. After discussing some of the top universities in France offering Masters in Computer Science, let's now explore Germany as another promising destination. Germany is famous for its strong economy and advanced technological infrastructure, making it more appealing choice for international students interested in pursuing Masters in Computer Science. So the top 5 universities in Germany are Technical University of Munich, RWTH, Technical University of Berlin, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and Saarland University. So there you have it. A glimpse of some of the top universities in Germany renowned for their Masters in Computer Science program. In our next video, we will explore essential details like tuition fees, affordable universities, living expenses, and available scholarships. So if you are considering Masters in Computer Science, then book a free counseling session with one of our experts at Admitex. Get personalized guidance and insight tailored just for you. Check the link in the description below to book now. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Kindly subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment down below which country is your study abroad destination.